How to cook Nigerian vegetable soup for everyone in the house. Hello sweet team, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get this recipe done. This is just a family recipe. Everyone in your home will love this soup. First of all, in a clean pot, we add in the assorted meat. I'll be making use of cow meat and chicken. Then I will add in chopped onions, then season with all-purpose seasoning. Next, I will add in garlic paste, then add in water that will enable this to get cooked. I add in some salt to taste, then I will stir everything to get combined. Then I will cover the pot and add it on top of the heat for this to cook for 15 minutes. The meat is cooked and soft, so now I will still add in a little bit of salt, then cover this to cook. After cooking for 15 minutes, this is what we have. 15 minutes later, at this point the meat has cooked, so now it's ready. I will just rim out the meat from the stock, so I will just keep it aside. Next, I will be needing is vegetables. So I just finished picking the vegetable one after the other. So next to do is to slice the vegetables. On this recipe, I'll be making use of grain. So I don't know if you know about grain, so that is what I'm going to be using on this recipe. So you can always use any vegetable of your choice. So this is the particular one I will be working on. The vegetable actually have two colors. So this one is the green and it has the red color. So I'm just going to make use of the two color at the same time. Now I'm done slicing the vegetable. I'm going to be washing the vegetables with salt and water. So first of all, I will add in some salt, then use it to wash the vegetables before I will make use of it. I just have to give that wash about 2 to 3 occasions before it will be ready. Wash your veggie is very important. You can as well wash it before you slice it, so all of them is useful. So now I'm done washing the vegetable. This is what I have after washing. This is what it look. Making vegetable soup, guys, you need a lot of veggies so that we enjoy every bit of that soup. So something like this, all the veggies is ready. Next is to prepare pepper mix. So over here I have 3 major size of chopped onions, hot pepper, red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. So I'm going to blend together. After blending, this is what I have. I just chop the peppers just like this. It's ready to use. So over here is my cooking pot. So I will add in cooking oil. So I add in red oil and vegetable oil on the pot. So now I will just add in the already cooked meat. So the meat is here. I will just add it inside the oil, then fry this for 5 minutes before I will take it out from the oil. Now I will be frying the pepper mix. So I will just add in the pepper mix inside the pot, then stir fry this for 5 minutes. Just stir everything together. Next I will be adding is crayfish. So over here I have grounded crayfish, then I will add in all-purpose seasoning, then add in salt to taste and stir together. Now the stew is fried, and this point is ready for me to add in the vegetable. So first of all, I will add in first batch. I add in the vegetable twice. So this first one, I will cover this first batch to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I will open then stir the vegetables together before I will add in the second batch, which is the last batch. I did not add all of it at once. Cooking the vegetables, you don't have to add everything at once, so you still have to have some fresh leaf from your soup after cooking. That is why you have to add it like twice. So immediately I add the second batch, it will not take time from the heat. I will turn off the heat. So now I will just add it on top of the soup. So this will not take time, it will just 2 minutes, the soup will be ready. At this point now, everything is going in. I will add in the stock water, then the same time I will add in the already fried meat. So everything is going in at this point. The soup will just simmer for 2 minutes and it will be ready. So now it's going with low heat. Then I will cover for 2 minutes. 1 minute later, I come to check on the soup. So the soup is doing well. After 1 minute, this is how it look. I will just stir again, then I will stir and cover to cook for complete 2 minutes before I will turn off the heat. You can see I did not go far because the soup is already on my throat, so I just have to stand beside. So 2 minutes later, the soup is cooked at this point. So now this one dry smoked fish. So just stir together and everything is ready to go. So that is all, my people. This is just your vegetables. Look how vegetables is pumping there. Everywhere is veggies because it's vegetable soup. You need a lot of vegetables to cook your vegetable soup so that you will enjoy every bit of it. So that is all, my people. So the soup is going down with this atta. So this is what we eat here. We eat atta here, and this is atta is going down with this soup. So that is it. If you enjoyed this video, my people, don't forget to share the post. Don't forget to drop your comment how you feel about this video. For me, I enjoy every bit of it. If today is your first time coming across my channel and you have been watching me since you haven't subscribed, or you haven't followed my page, or you haven't followed my Instagram, this is the right time for you to do the needful. Don't forget to share the post. See you in my next one. I love you guys. I know God loves you guys more. Happy New Year once again. May this year be favor and more better for all.